fans, I'll be cooking some kidney today. Have you ever heard about kidney? I'm gonna cook kidney with some green bananas, organic bananas, some dumpling and chocho, my fans. Kidney, Koja Country Lifestyle. Welcome to my channel. Man behind the scene. Love, and more love. Me have only parrot to do now still, so I can't really hold it out too long. See them, my fans. Kidney me cut up and me go season it up with garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, little pimento, you know, me salt as usual. You know, me scallion, me onions and all those stuff, you know, pure natural season, my fans. Welcome to my channel, wherever you are watching from. Remember to leave a comment and you can give the video a thumbs up and you can subscribe if you are new. Special welcome. Remember to share to your friends and family and loved ones. Kojak said that from Kojak Country Lifestyle. So I started to, cook him down now. I don't really put in lots of seasonings yet, make him go and cook down with some water in it. Yeah. Yeah, cooking outdoor. Welcome to my kitchen. Sage says she like my kitchen. Big up Sage. You have been watching a lot of the videos and big up Cathy. Top fan of the channel, Cecile. Big up Myla, Betty Bell, Lenora, Tetia, Stew Beef, all of the fans, them Stone Breeze in Ghana, DJ King Yellowman, and all the top fans, them New Zealand, Angie, Angie Dina, Ireland, and all the other YouTubers, them all like my channel also, new people who found the channel for the first time. Cooking with love from my outdoor kitchen. Some banana, then I'll cook up some good green banana. Some dumpling, who like green banana, let me know in a comment if you like green banana. Much was the white show them. One plant I plant, remember my fans. Such beauty. Glorious things are spoken unto the Most High. Look at nature, look at beauty, look at farming, agriculture, sugar cane, bananas, etc. So far more blessings. Whoa. Yes, me have my natural organic pepper them and I can put in on my arm stuff, and my arm scallion and so forth, Yes, I just need the flour now to make my dumplings. Wow, it smells good now. See him cooking down nice. Me never miss fork with me. I use this with the time being enough. Soon get me fork, I'm gonna cut up onion now and this scallion. Wow, it smells good. My God. Wow, this gonna go well with the banana and the dumplings. Mouth watering. Wow. Yes. Dumpling for my fans. Them want dumpling. Let me know who want dumpling here. Please, Barbara, you want dumpling? Barbara in Australia, let me know you love dumpling. Cecile, Cathy, Betty, Lenora love dumpling. Betty love dumpling. Now the kidney smell good in the breeze that is blowing. My God. Seeing the kidney what me cooking, it have a space of scent. Please take a look at it again, my fans. Food. My kitchen. Welcome to Korea Country Lifestyle. This is my kitchen, my farm. It smells so good. Good food. The coconut oil there. See the frozen coconut oil, my homemade coconut oil. See it melt up there now. Frozen coconut oil. Korea Country Lifestyle. Oh, me dinner finished now, my fans. Food cooked now, ready to have food with me now. Who gonna eat with me now? Please let me know who will definitely want some of my food. Don't be shy and don't be ashamed, see? Just talk your mind, be truthful, see? If you want some, just let me know, see? No joke around here. Yes, I. Chocho, me plan me chocho. Kidney, 2 dumpling, bananas, soft banana, kojak, lifestyle. Take the first bite. Whoever bite this now. Alright. Nice banana soft. Banana soft. Wow, this clean, man. Oh nice. Oh my god. It's really good. I'm loving it. The chocho me plan, the white chocho. To have fruit of my labor. I love it. Big up on yourself and a fan. Big up all viewers across who's looking at my food. Welcome to my dinner. Blessing me out. Well, have my food in peace. So thanks again for watching. Please remember to give it the thumbs up and leave a comment. New viewers, please subscribe and share. Blessing on top of blessing. Coach Jack said that. I'm starving for food now. Mouth watering. Big up.